Hey guys, welcome to another pack opening. Today we'll be opening another 4 Stellar Crown packs. As usual, we'll start off with the Lapras one. Everyone likes a little Lapras. Who doesn't appreciate a little Lapras in their life? It's a good Pokemon, you know? It's like a big back like a turtle. You can ride it around. It's like Blastoise if Blastoise was good. Controversial perhaps. Okay. Code. There you go. I got a complaint. I didn't show this last time. So there you go for my one viewer. I hope you're happy. I hope you're the one to get it. First off, Energy, Faroom, Little Ape, already had that one. Palmy, another dupe. Fletchling, it's a cute bird, kinda bad. Ooh, let's hope it's gonna get good. It's not getting good yet. Maybe soon. Mienfoo, that's a dud. For the last one, okay, that might not have been the last one. Briar, boom, that's might be worthless. Let me focus. Oh. Okay. On to the second pack. Stellar Crown. Here you go, guys. A little promo code. Let me zoom out a little. Okay. Fire. This pack's gonna be fire, guys. One day these jokes will get old, and I think the day is already here. Mask. Pansear. I don't dislike this one. Can we get a focus? Thank you. Carnivine. Just getting a lot of the same. Nothing exciting in these ones right now. Lost Bulls were better. Oh, more of the same, more of the same. Ooh. This one's kind of cute. Thoughts? Put your thoughts on this one in the comments. I personally think it's cute. Okay. We had this one. Ooh. This is nice. This is a nice trainer back. She's nice. That's cool. Yeah. Good. I mean, it's probably not worth much, guys, but it's nice. It's good. Personally, I'd rather have a big art. It's not even full art, but I'd rather have a Pokemon, but you know, you get what you get. And today we didn't get something good. Okay, this code is mine. Put that one on the front. Ooh, big fist, guys. Dogecoin. Chinchu. Yamask. Bombifier. Bombardier, I mean. Glass Trumpet. I haven't seen that one. We just saw that one too already. Not looking great. Reverse hollow, whatever. Gulpin. Well, that's a cute Gulpin. Wait. Karascota. Dud. Okay, last pack of today's video. I still don't know this Pokemon's name. I think it's like Galapagos, Terracocos. I don't know. Who really cares? Well, personally, I'm excited for 17, the new packs. I really want to get that Umbreon in the new packs if you've seen it. If you're looking to get any evolutions, guys, any evolutions from the new evolutions pack coming out on the 17th, we might get a pack opening on my channel too. Electric. Ooh, the last card on this is gonna shock you. Lechonk. He's a cutie, but I already have him. Raboot. He's a silly goofy guy. Oh, that's a silly goofy card. Look at it smile. The art. Okay. Hey, we've seen this one. And we've seen that one about in every pack. And now, oh, is this I think I just opened the same pack again. Oh, Gossifleur. Interesting. Melton. And Oosh. It's the second one of these. Not reverse hollow either. Okay. Well, guys, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this pack opening. Turn on notifications, like and subscribe, because we got many more pack openings coming to you soon. So turn on that bell notification, and who knows, maybe you'll see me pull anything else crazy. This is what we want. Any full art, really. This one. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Happy New Year's.